Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ayati's Views for You. Friends, in Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, there are vacancies for the post of Horticulture Officer in AP Horticulture Service. There are total number of vacancies 39. These are the zonal posts. For Zone 1, there are 5 posts. For Zone 2, 13 posts. For Zone 3, 11 posts. And for Zone 4, there are 10 posts. Applying date from 11 October 2021 to 2nd November 2021. Eligibility: 4 years BSc degree or BSc honors in horticulture. Age limit: minimum 18 years to maximum 42 years. For SC, ST, BC and EWS candidates, 5 years age relaxation. For physically handicapped, 10 years. For NCC candidates, ex-servicemen, and for regular state government employees, age depends on length of their regular service. You can apply your application on website www.psc.ap.gov.in. And here is step 1 and step 2 for login your application. Application fee is ₹250 for application processing fee and ₹120 for examination fee. For SC, ST, BC, physical handicapped and ex-servicemen, there will be only ₹120 for examination fee. You have to pay your payment through online via net banking or credit card or debit card. Scheme of examination will be computer based recruitment test mode, and there will be objective type questions. Exam pattern: in paper 1, general English and general Telugu test will be conducted. There will be 100 questions for 100 minutes. You have to be qualified in English and Telugu individually. Paper 2, general studies and mental ability. Paper 3 for horticulture 1 and paper 4 for horticulture 2 subject. The exam will be conducted. Note: for paper 2, 3 and 4, there are 100 questions for 100 and 150 minutes for each paper. After written examination, candidates who will be qualified, there will be computer proficiency test will be conducted in the ratio of 1:2. Friends, please visit website commissions regularly for updating your examination related information. Friends, please keep watching my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much, friends.